Today, we're going to talk about how to get rid of a cough within 5 minutes or less. You have a mucus cough, and then you have a non-mucus cough, which is called a dry cough. The remedy that I'm going to talk about will work on both, but there's nothing worse than having this dry cough while you're trying to sleep. Here's my problem with most remedies for coughs. They are going to give you a medication that suppresses the cough. If we think about what the reason why you're coughing in the first place is, your body is coughing as a vital defense mechanism because there's some type of particle, or it could be a virus or some type of irritant that your body wants resolved. The perfect remedy for a cough has to align with the actual cause of that cough.